Alam niyo mga kabatas natin 'no, if ever magkakaroon ng paper cut, it is because of the delicate handling of one single paper. Yun. Most likely yun ang pinaka-probable na mangyayari ang paper cut. Pero paano ka nagkaka-paper cut if you are sorting out papers one by one? Iniisa-isa mo yung pahina, one by one. Dun ka nagkaka-paper cut, hindi sa pakikipag-agawan. Tapos 'pag hawak mo yung papel na ganyan, ang paper cut mo dapat dito, dito, hindi dito sa finger. Tama rin yung sinabi dito. It's all tall tale. Simply a diversion for public not to immediately be curious about the files. They are trying to delay interest. Exactly.